Hello and welcome to another quick video. In today's video, I want to talk about what I did today. It is crochet related. So I haven't caught up with my friend Di we worked out 2 years. Now this is a friend. How does 2 years go past without us catching up? We both don't know the answer to that, and we decided let's just get together. So we went to a lovely cafe and we had brunch, I guess. It wasn't really lunchtime, but it was my lunch, but yeah, doesn't matter. So I had eggs Benedict and Di had stacked pancakes. Oh my goodness, they looked amazing. Huge meal, but looked amazing. So I took my project with me, which is just a plain granny square, just like one that you just keep going and gets bigger and bigger. But as you can see from that, that's all scrap yarn. Now I forgot to put my blanket in the bag. So luckily, my crochet hook was in my bag. And obviously lots of spare yarn. And Di had asked me if I wanted to learn how to do the corner to corner. We must have spoken about this previously. I have a terrible memory. Must have talked about this previously, saying I don't know how to do a corner to corner, and I never really wanted to learn, if that's a thing. But I thought I've got someone who can teach me in person, and that's going to be better than nothing. So if I've gone wrong, the person can say, hey, that's not right. Okay, so luckily I had a crochet hook, and this goes with this yarn. Now I've been told this is the yarn. It's a Spotlight brand. I don't even know what it's called, or if I still have the label. Yes, I do. So Spotlight is our big box stores. So that's like Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, I think it's Hobbycraft in England. So it's 4 seasons, pure wool, 100% Australian wool. 50 grams, 8 ply, that's equivalent to a double knit or a number 3 yarn in the US. Recommends a 4 millimeter. I have loose tension, so I'm using a 3.5, but Di told me that for a corner to corner, that you're better off using a bigger hook than it tells you to on the yarn, so that it gives you a nicer texture. So this is obviously my practice piece, and Di had a crochet hook bigger than the yarn recommended, and the difference in the little puffy bits was heaps. So definitely want to restart and use a bigger crochet hook. So this is my little sample. And Di taught me how to, decrease. Didn't tell me how to finish off, but that's okay. We can catch up again for another coffee. But told me how to decrease, but then I pulled out my decrease because I wanted to make it a bit bigger. Otherwise, I would have just ended up with a square about yay big. I don't know. I don't know, should I keep going with that? Let me know what you think. I think I want to pull this undone because I only had my 3.5. I can't even tell you what that is in American size. It doesn't have anything on it. It just says 3.5 millimeter. I don't know what I was talking about now. Do I want to continue with my small hook, or should I? And this hook's a bit of a pain in the neck to use. It's a cheap hook. I don't know if it's because the hook is too small for what I'm doing. I don't know. It's just not nice. Not nice to use. It's not flowing. I kept getting stuck. Yeah, so I think I might pull this apart, start this again, which I do not remember how to do. If you're watching, I don't remember how to do it, but I could probably just check out a video and go from there, because I think that would be okay. Because now it's in my head. I've tried this before. I know I've tried it at least twice, and it just didn't click. If you've done the corner to corner before, you're probably thinking, why did it not click? It's so easy. But it just didn't click. I couldn't figure out which direction I was going and all of that. I didn't know where to put the crochet hook. I was laughing to Di and saying I'm a terrible student because I keep asking the same question all the time. And just putting the crochet hook in the wrong place. You always see me when I know what I'm doing. So let's just say I had no idea and I got a good laugh out of it because I was just like, wow, this is what it feels like to be learning something. Huge respect for people following videos for the first time who are not sure what they're doing. So yeah, what should I do? Should I pull it out and redo it in a bigger crochet hook? Honestly, it's literally, that probably took me half an hour because I had no idea what I was doing. But if I redid that, it would probably take me like, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes because I know where the crochet hook's supposed to go and how many stitches I'm supposed to have. Yeah, but I love the texture. I can't stop doing that to it. I love the texture. So I'll try and put some photos in. I took photos of the food that I had, and I had 2 chai lattes. Usually I only have one a day because they're so sugary. I get a bit hypo. So normally I don't have 2, one after the other, but we did today. I did today, and I had a coffee, chai and a coffee. Yeah, had a really nice time. Sat in the restaurant. It's a cafe, but it's quite big, so there was plenty of room. I was actually watching to make sure it didn't get too full in the cafe because, I don't know, is it weird that I don't want to take up someone's table because we're just sitting there crocheting and they could be making sales on our table, even though we did buy lunch and 2 drinks. I don't know. Maybe that's just the business side in me coming out, but they weren't flat out, so that was good. We got to sit around. So I love it. Have you tried a corner to corner before? If you have, or you haven't, and you don't know how to do it, or maybe you've tried it and it was scary, and you just stopped like I did, just was like, what am I doing? That was totally me. Give it another go. And forget everything you know about crochet and directions, because I think that's why I was getting stuck. Where you think you're going to go at the beginning, you don't. And that's why I think I couldn't get it, because my head's going, no, you're supposed to be going this way, but it's kind of odd until it clicks. So let me know, have you tried the corner to corner? Have you done if you have you done it all in one colour? Do you use scraps? Do you use, what are they called? Yarn cakes that just change colour? Let me know what you've used to make yours. I would love to know. Please don't ask for a tutorial on this because I don't know if I can teach you how to do it yet. I have to learn how to do this start bit. Like the first 2 rows was the hardest part because you were just like, it's so small, which direction am I going? But after that, it was good. Thank you for watching. That's all I have to report for today. That was my little crochet adventure with Di. Thank you, Di, so much for meeting up with me today. It was so much fun. Great food, great company, and crochet. What more could you want? Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Happy crochet. Bye.